Hey everyone, I haven't been able to post much lately due to COVID and travel restrictions and of course, staying safe. Wear your mask. What the heck am I wearing this thing for? I'm in my own house. Anyways, I do have plans for flights in the near future, and while I was planning those flights and those trips and reminiscing about previous flights and trips, I thought, what could I do in the meantime? I remember taking my American Airlines Premium Economy long haul trip back in 2019. Well, if you're interested in seeing that trip, I'll put the link in the description above here. And if you want to watch it, click it. And I'll also put it down below in the comments section if you want to check it out. Well, here's a snippet from my American Airlines Premium Economy video. So I found that I had 3 unopened American Airlines Premium Economy amenity kits, and I figured, why not give them away to 3 lucky people here on this channel. If you want to have your name entered to win one of these 3 kits, all you have to do is put the word Amenity in the comments section below, and I'll enter your name to be randomly drawn to win one. Now make sure there's a way for me to contact you, and then when and if you're chosen, I'll mail it out to you. So the giveaway is only open to U.S. residents 18 years and older. Sorry for any of my other international viewers, it's just the way it is. So the giveaway will end on March 5th. And also make sure to smash that like button. I've got plenty more videos coming up, and you'll want to subscribe so you'll be the first to know when something new comes out when I post it. Thanks for watching.